let's have a look at the Creature C Ravager dildo. So this is the Ravager dildo itself. We'd recommend this for a more advanced or expert user due to its size and texture. As you can see, it's a very fantasy unique dildo with lots of different colours of gold and black in there. It features lots of different stimulating textures of knobs and ridges, and the material is soft to the touch and firm and flexible, suitable for both vaginal and anal use and can be used in combination with a strap-on harness. It also features a strong suction cup so you can use for a hands-free experience as well. When using this dildo, we'd highly recommend to use in combination with a water-based lubricant. Make sure to clean after every use with a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. For more information on the Creature C Ravager dildo, you can head over to our website. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time.